Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could enable the Windows firewall and network protection. If you have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11, then this video is for you. First of all, go to your search tab and type Windows Security. Click on the application to open. Here you will see this apps, security at a glance, etc. You can go to the left panel and click on firewall protection and network protection, or you can just click here on firewall and network protection to open the options. Next step, click on turn on. You must check the domain network. For example, you can click on. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow these changes or this app to make changes, just click yes. Next step, if you have private network and public network disabled, just make sure to click enable for both of them. And in this way, you have enabled the Windows firewall and the network protection in the same time. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just drop us a comment or leave us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like, share, and also you can take a subscription to become a member of our family. Also, finally, you can subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new